I've got a super cute, spooky little book for you this time. You can use your 6x6 paper pads. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new, wow, it's just awesome to be here with you. Thanks for stopping in. I designed a brand new mini album. This one can use 6x6 paper pads, but you know what? I decided to use Simple Stories, brand new release, 2023, FaBOOlous. Cardstock sticker sheet, 4x6s, 4x4s, 2x2s, you name it. This book in particular, I designed for the Simple Stories paper pack. And also, it's for our wallet size pictures. So 3x4 inserts. We are having a blast. Right here on the front cover, I've got this cute little tag that I made, and I layered up some papers. I had just way too much fun with this book, and I really think this is one that you would love to make. It can hold about 30 pictures or so in here. Now, oh my goodness, I got some ribbon right here from the Dollar Tree, popped up some images from the cut aparts pages, and also some stickers. And if you were interested in the tutorial, I'll leave a link down in the description for you. Now right here we've got a cute little angled pocket and a functioning belly band if you wanted to put some little doodads in there. Look at this cute little, oh my goodness, the skeleton, adorable. Beautiful wallet size pictures can fit right here. And you can stuff really more in there than we have. And I love this. I just stuck the stickers right there on the spine. Let's get more up close and personal. Cute little eyelets right here. I've got some twine keeping that closed and an on-page little pocket here. Look at this, right out of the cut aparts page. Got that beautiful tag, and you know what? Frankenstein wants to say hi. I want to put the date right here once we fill this up with pictures of my family and all my nieces and nephews, and oh my goodness, I'm just thrilled with this. This flips open, and then we have yikes, eek, and boo right there. Those were just some stickers that I backed on some cardstock. Cute little bats, a swing tie closure. I show you how to make all this. This is way too fun. Look at us. We've got a little area to journal there, and we even have a tab right here at the top. Oh my goodness. All my favorite supplies are linked down in the description as well. And look, it just goes right back in the pocket. Is this not just way too much fun? These cute little brads just add this amazing little touch to this. And I was really going for an overstuffed look. For some reason, I wanted to go chunky. But we have room for pictures, so the spine can compensate for that. Right on the back here, we've got this adorable little tag. He's a little band. He opens up. And we have some waterfalls right here. And cute little stickers, more space for those wonderful wallet-sized pictures right there. Got a cute little bat. Let's get spooky. And this opens up like this. We have a wonderful little pinwheel here. Enter if you dare. And then look at the scarecrow. Is that just not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And you know what? On top of that, this little insert comes out. And we've got some playful stuff here I just pieced together. I allowed myself to play this time. Sometimes I'm a little bit too hard on myself. Everything having to be so particular, but you know what? I just had a ball. An absolute ball. And I thought that was a cool closure technique there. Now right here on the back inside cover, we created these cute little circle tie closures there with some twine and a brad. And I show you how to put that together. Beautiful little picture spots up there. And then right here. Here's Boo, little sticker from the collection, and you can stuff whatever you want in these pockets and top your tags. Another little swivel of that little ghost there. Adorable. I kind of wanted this spread to kind of come together from this side to that side. And we talk color patterns, we talk combinations, and look how cute. This opens up again. Too much fun with the 2x2s, okay? And here's this. That is just way too cute. I love the pumpkin, love the plaid. This folds up and then it opens again, and we've got more picture space. Look at this little journaling spot that we can do. Anything we want there. Talk about the outfits you wore, talk about the memories that day. Oh my gosh, these pumpkins, seriously, brought me so much joy. I don't even know why. They're just so cute. Probably the cutest pumpkin smiles I've ever seen. That all folds back perfectly. And again, the tutorial link is down in the description. It's my honor and my pleasure to be here with you and teach you everything I know. See you in class. Bye. I also have a 1-inch circle. Okay, no I don't. I also have a 1-inch circle punch that I'll be using to create my little... I've got all my pieces prepared here. Now I'm gonna actually stick down these cute little bats. Okay, or not. Holy smokes, that was suction cupped. And I'm gonna stick them right here, 1/8 inch border.